Nick's not very happy.
Boats. Welcome back to another episode of Sailing Lucy and Nick. We are going to be sailing from the UK to Australia over the next 2 or so years. This episode, we find a mystery problem with our water pump, and it is about how we resolve that. Over the past couple of weeks, we've noticed that our water pump keeps cycling every, 20 minutes, every half an hour, which means we have a leak somewhere in the system. It's not super urgent for us whilst we're living tied up to the dock where there's a mains water supply like 5 meters away, but as soon as we leave, water is going to be a really, really precious resource for us. And so is the pump. So if the pump keeps cycling, it's going to knacker itself out quicker, which we don't want to happen either. So we need to find the leak and we need to fix it. We noticed water wicking up through the floorboards in one of the aft cabins. We'd previously written this off as condensation. We've had quite a cold and wet winter, and we just assumed that we'd produced a load of condensation which was coming up through the floorboards for some reason. But you can see from some of the footage that the mould had really set in. This leak clearly hadn't happened overnight. Our water heater is in that back cabin, and it was leaking. I pressure tested the tank and found a number of leaks. The inside had completely rusted out. Unfortunately, it was a write-off, so I'm going to put some footage in of me using the endoscope from work. It looks really bad, the film quality, but I'm hoping that you can kind of see that the inside of it was completely corroded out. So it's been used for 20, nearly 30 years, so it's done well, but that everything on a boat has a life, so we've got to replace it. We've got plenty of footage to show you of us doing that. Unless you're a boaty person, you might not know what a calorifier actually is. In a house, you have a boiler to get hot water. On a boat, we have a calorifier, which is a boiler. It's a 20-litre drum, and it has 2 methods of heating the water. These black pipes here come from the engine coolant circuit. So when the engine's on, the coolant will cycle through. There's like a copper coil in here that keeps them separate so they don't mix. And the coolant flows through there and dumps all its heat into the water in the rest of the tank. And we can also heat it using there's an immersion element in there, which runs on the mains. So when we're off grid, we'll probably use the engine, and when we're on the dock, use the mains. Let's go back and see where we're up to with the bad time we were having for the first time we tried to reinstall it.
What am I doing now? How many layers?
Oh, just keep going. Keep it mostly at the top.
This is probably the slowest PTFE tape you've ever seen applied.
Ooh, action cam. Go, Lucy, go. How do you feel?
Like a bit of an idiot, really. How do you even apply this without it collapsing? And how much are you supposed to put on?
Just keep going, it'll be alright.
What's the point of this?
It's to seal up the threads so that when we put the hoses on, it doesn't leak.
Right, so I think I better point out here, whilst I'm here struggling with PTFE tape, that I'm making it a personal challenge to try and take on a few more of the maintenance jobs, as I'm very aware it's something that I'm lacking in, the skills that I'm lacking in, and that when we are sailing to Australia, I'm going to need to be able to do these things as well as Nick. So you'll see me asking a lot of questions and really fumbling around with spanners and tools in general.
Why don't they just make it with it installed on it?
There's a spanner on the floor down there for you.
What? You didn't tell me how to use a spanner.
She's got it.
I've used a spanner before. This makes it look like I haven't. I have, just not for a little while. I haven't even got to the plumbing bit yet. Well, I suppose this is plumbing.
This is plumbing. This counts. Lucy doing plumbing. Whoa.
Concentration face is real right now. What are you doing?
We're wiring up the thermostat for the calorifier so we can put it together. There are...
My next question is, why do we have to do this? Why can't the calorifier come with it done? Am I asking too many questions?
Yeah.
How far?
Have a look at how open the terminal is and see if you'll be able to fit the wire in.
Oh, I see. I am actually learning.
Yeah.
Yep, they're open.
Yeah.
Can I put the wires in? Should we trim back this wire? That looks like it's almost been soldered.
That one has been soldered.
Come on, guys. Learning here.
Is that pressed all the way in? Yeah. It's definitely doing its thing. Yeah.
I think so. Do you want to double check?
No. I trust you.
Well, I don't trust me. Not when it comes to wiring. You know that I don't do electronics.
Yeah, no, I know you don't, but you will.
It's just all my questions giving me anxiety.
Yeah, I know. It's making me anxious. Right, you want to crimp it?
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
Which one?
Put it in that one. You'll feel when you're in the right place.
There.
Yeah, squeeze.
How hard?
Really, really hard. Yep. Happy?
I don't know. How hard would you go? What's next?
We put it in. We just need to... We've got all of the old plumbing to just put back on.
Nice.
And then we're done.
Who's doing the plumbing?
Lucy.
Me.
Lucy's gonna do some plumbing. Here we go.
So we're pulling this off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite easy. Oh.
Yeah, that's the beauty of this domestic push fit. And then push your new one.
That's it.
Make sure it's all the way in. Is it all the way in?
Nick told me to do it again. So I'm doing it again.
Okay.
And what were your words? Feel how far in it goes. You reckon it should go more than that?
Yep.
No, that's all. Oh, yeah.
There you go. So that's what I mean by feel how far in it goes. It's supposed
And
to
this
go all
one?
the way in. Here she goes.
We've got a torch now. Tully's come to help.
Dog is helping.
Wait, what am I doing?
Unscrew it a bit. Yeah, great. Then push the collar in at the end and pull.
Wow,
off
that's
the
such an
top.
easy...
Yeah.
What do you say they're called?
It's like quick fit or whatever.
That's gone in the whole way this time?
Are you sure?
Yeah. You're making me doubt myself.
Well, not making you
Double
just
check.
double check.
What do you think, Tully? Are you helping? You're very good at helping, aren't you? You're very good. Are we helping? Yeah, Lucy's supposed to be doing the plumbing, but Nick's ended up doing it. How come you're doing it and I'm not, when I was supposed to be learning?
Right, go on, carry on.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be patient and teach me. Tully's resting her head on my back.
Oh,
Support dog, right?
very helpful. Very, very helpful. She had her dinner. She has.
Right, there could be a lot of water.
No, it's going to be okay.
Oh.
Don't worry about it running. Just get on with it.
I just could be quite slow.
Just get on with it. It's fine. That's the one. Yeah.
Hey!
Ready to check for leaks?
Is it leaking? Yeah, it's leaking. It's already leaking.
Where?
Maybe it's residual water.
How do you feel?
I did it! Don't know if plumbing's for me.
You're going to have to.
Okay. Right, go for it. 3, 2, 1. I can hear water.
Yeah, we've got to pump like 20 litres into there. And then we're looking for leaks on the tails once it's filled.
Oh, I just saw a drip
Where?
at the bottom. Out of that fitting at the very bottom. Yeah, it's dripping.
Great. Stop, take it out, do it again. Sake.
Nick's not very happy.
Love boats.
We'll get it done. It'll get there.
There's a leak.
We're gonna try this again for the second day. Now I'm ill, but Nick's not, so Nick's gonna have a go putting it back in with a new part which doesn't leak. So what have you done?
We've just left 2 of the stopcocks in, and we're gonna leave these.
Definitely water going in.
Sound of it filling. And then if you see a leak, just turn off the stopcock.
It's making me nervous.
She's trying.
Well, we're going for it. Thermostat back on. The second time. It's all hooked up for the second time.
Tully's gone.
I don't think it's leaking. Right, so it's done, and Tully's keeping watch. Any leaks? Oh, don't pull the sad face. Let's hope no leaks. Right, we're here again.
Hello, everybody.
Are you a happy bunny?
I am at least 1 rum down already, so that's good.
Okay. I don't know how many attempts the number this is. We're trying to put the calorifier in again. And Nick's we're resorting to having to use a Loctite product.
I'm using some pipe sealant.
Some pipe sealant because it's just leaking and we're fed up with it. So here we go. Let's try again.
It's on, but we've
Right, so we are going to try and turn it on for the 4th time. It's all connected.
Cold water supply.
There's some blue roll in there just to try and, help us know if we have any leaks. It's a Friday night at 9 p.m. and I don't know what everyone else does on their Friday nights at 9 p.m. but we install calorifiers. Guys, it's good news. It's not leaking.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's bright. Well, not leaking as far as we can tell. Famous last words. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, that's right in front of my face.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We had a great time. I would say we had a great time. We had a roller coaster time fitting this calorifier, but we can say that 2 weeks later,
It's not leaking! Yeah!
Woo! And we have hot water to do the dishes. So yeah, we're very happy. We've never appreciated hot water as much as we do now. But we are new to YouTube, and liking and subscribing really does help us and helps more people see our channel.
It's free.
And it's free.
It's free, and it's a really nice way to show your support. It will help us out massively.
So if you have enjoyed it, then yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye!